everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you do not know who I am, my name is Charlotte Alvarez, but you can call me Jay. And if you're new to this channel, hi, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. How are we guys doing today? So in today's video I decided to do like a mint green makeup look. So yeah, so we'll be using two palettes today, which is the James Charles and the Jacyln Hill palette also. So yeah, so if you want to know what kind of look I get on this video, continue on watching. Alright you guys, so as you can see, I already did my eyebrows and I already did prime my eyes and all that good stuff off camera. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the first palette. So the first palette we're gonna be going in with is with the Morphe, the Morphe x Jacyln Hill palette. This is how it looks like. Probably half of you should know what this palette looks like. So the first color I'll be going in with is with this nude shade right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get a Morphe brush and we're gonna go ahead and get that color and use it as a transition color and blend that all over around the eyes. So you guys, I actually wanted to talk to you about something I've been wanting to do for a while now. So I decided to do a giveaway. What I'm gonna be giving away is probably a Morphe palette, a brand new Morphe palette, and also a couple of probably 3 or 4 Morphe brushes I'll be giving away. I will for sure announce the winner on Instagram. So if you want to enter this giveaway, you would have to follow me on Instagram and follow the instructions. So if you follow me on Instagram, I will be posting soon the instructions in order for you to enter the giveaway. The only reason why we are doing this giveaway is because I now am reaching to 300, or I'm already am reaching to I'm already am to 300 subscribers. Probably some people would think, oh my god, she's done for giving away a palette just because she only has a few subscribers. Well, honestly, this is an appreciation giveaway to all my subscribers and, you know, showing me a lot of love and stuff. So that's the main reason why I'm doing this giveaway. So yeah, that's the reason why I am doing this giveaway, because of my 300 subscribers I've reached, and for such amazing supporters I have. So that's the reason why I am doing the giveaway. So once again, if you would love to enter this giveaway, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and you follow me on Instagram to know more information about this giveaway. And the palette I'll be giving away is the Morphe Dare to Create palette, and a couple of probably like 3 to 4 brushes, 3 Morphe brushes of my choice. So yeah, if you want to win this giveaway, you make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Alright, so I didn't get to tell y'all, but the next color I went into is just like more of a dark brown. So yeah, we're putting that on top of that transition color we just used. We're going to go ahead and blend it out all over the eye with that same brush. I did use that same brush. So now I'm going to go to like a more darker color using a different brush. We're going to go into this dark shade right here. It's like a other brown, but it's darker. We're going to go in with a Morphe brush. And we're just going to go ahead and apply this on the outer V of the eye. And I'm blending it in that same spot. Alright, that should be good enough. And I'm just blend some of that out into the crease, in the crease of the eye. Alright, now what I'm going to go ahead and do, we're going to create do a cut crease. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and create a cut crease. I'm going to go ahead and get some concealer and my flat brush to create that crease. Alright, so that should be good enough. Now we're gonna go ahead and go back into the Jacyln Heal palette, and we're gonna go into like this color right here, this bluish one, and then this shimmer shade one. We're trying to make it into like a mint green. Hopefully I could pull this off, but we're gonna try it. Right, so you know what, I think I'm gonna go ahead and go into that James Charles palette, and since because they have a green, I'm gonna go ahead and mix up those two colors together, and let's see what we get. Just let me go ahead and get another flat brush. Alright, so now we're going to go into that James Charles palette and go in with this white color. I think it's called Flashback. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to go in with that color. And we're going to apply this on the inner corner of the eyes. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and add, hope this is good enough. I'm going to go ahead and add some eyeliner. And we're going to go in with the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and now apply some mascara. We're gonna use the Clinique High Impact Mascara and pop on some lashes. Alright, lashes we'll be using is the Visofree 3D Mink lashes. Go ahead and get me some glue and apply these suckers on. Alright, so lashes are on and now it's time for the face. Alright, so let me start my primer. So the primer we'll be using today is the NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. Alright you guys, so next we're going to go into foundation. And the foundation I'll be going in with is with the Huda Beauty foundation. And I am in the color Butter Pecan. And for concealer, I'm going to go in with the Clinique Beyond Perfection Foundation Plus Concealer. And I am in the color CN10. Look how. Alright, so now we're going to go into contour. We're going to go in with the the LA Girl Pro Conceal. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and pick the base. We're going to go in with the Airspun Loose Base Powder. Alright, so now we're going into bronzer. The bronzer we'll be using today is the Hoola Benefit. So now we're going to go ahead and color the under eyes. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and go back into that mascara and get the lower lashes. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with blush, and the blush I'll be going in with is with the Morphe blush, and this is in the color Spirit. All right, for highlight we're gonna go in with the Tartiest Pro Glow. Alright, for lips we will be going in with the e.l.f. lipstick, and this is in the color Blushing Brown. Alright, for setting spray, we're going to be going in with the Ulta Beauty Matte Makeup Setting Spray. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys love this look. Yeah, I had really fun doing this makeup look, so I really do hope that y'all really did like it, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, leave some comments below, and once again, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And also for that giveaway, if you want to win that giveaway, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm going to go ahead and leave my username right here. And so yeah, so if you and also if you have not seen, I also have my Instagram information below the description box. So yeah, so if you want to win this giveaway, make sure you go check out, and I will probably put in the let's see, put in the instructions maybe. I'll probably put the instructions tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow, and we'll probably announce the winner by next week. So yeah, if you want to win this giveaway, make sure you follow me on Instagram, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.